most ama-fans Orlando Pirates ngaze awuthande lo mbiko lo, but yesterday uJose Rivero ukhiphe umbiko osikhathi ekhuluma after iOrlando Pirates iwinile ishaya iRichards Bay ngo-1-0 lapha eMlazi. Inkulumo yakhe ngizoqala ngiyishaye ngesingisi mase ngiyayihumusha. Ithi no, if you remember our last game against Polokwane City, both Olisanda and Saling were subbed off because of different injuries. That's why they were not here. They were not available for selection, and actually we are not 100% sure if they are gonna be available for the final as well. Ngamafushe nje uthi uJose Rivero uSalengi benonda baba nama-minor injuries against iPolokwane City. Njengoba baba nama-minor injuries lawa ama-injury amancane abaselekthwanga for igame ayizolo neRichards Bay FC. Njengoba bengaselekthwanga akekho sure uJose Rivero ukuthi bazoba available in for ifinal. Njengoba siyodlala neStellenbosch le eMabhida ngomgqibelo. Yabo akekho sure ngenze abangabi khona. Ngenze leya game leya siyidlale engekho unda, ngenze siyidlale engekho uSaling ngoba bathola ama-injury sidlala nale team le iPolokwane City. Mina ngokwami I feel like ucoach ushaya ama-mind games, udlala ama-mind games nalo coach lo Steve Barker weStellenbosch. Yabo mhlawumbe umenza acabanga ukuthi cha undawo uzobe engekho, uSaling uzobe engekho. Yabo I feel like these guys berestwa, yabo bebaresta bayazi ukuthi bazobadinga kwifinal, because ngeke kwazi Orlando Pirates udlala ifinal engekho unda engekho uSaling, because we know ukuthi uSaling capable of uSaling uyakwazi ukuvusa igame ilela. Yabo uSaling nje benoholto ibona abadlali usembela kubona impela nonda emuva unda samdinga unda ayosiza uSesana, because undame engekho uSesana afana nokuthi udlala yedwa lapha emuva. Yabo unokwenza ama sacrifices njengoba sibonile nje ecishe ethole red card bengekho umuntu ademsiza lapha emuva. So I feel like ucoach ushaya ama-mind games, but nithini nina ngalombiko lo, because ungithusile mina yibo ngadlala ifinal engekho lo mjida lo unda benoSaling.